Hello, sir.
Nana. Okay, listen the class, concentration the class, okay? Yeah. See here once. Okay, today's our topics, my family, how do these children are helping to at home? Okay? Hmm. Say once, last class లో మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, that is the topic nuclear family and joint family. So, what's the meaning of joint family?
Joint family means
Deependra.
cousins, brothers, aunt, uncles, grandparents, parents.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay.
Grandfather, and sister, brother.
Or grandpa, grandma.
Yeah.
Sir, I will
Mute
tell.
yourself. Wait, Nana, Rishi, wait. Yeah, you can ask like that question. See, Rishi, how is asking question? But what about you? Others? You're directly saying answers. Huh? Yeah, Rishi, क्या रे Nana?
Grandparents, fathers, cousins, uncle, auntie, brother, sister.
Yeah, very good, super Nana. Just mute
Sir,
yourself.
I will say.
Yeah,
Sir, I will say.
okay. Say once, big nuclear family.
Father, mother, and three children.
Yeah, very good. More than two children. Okay, very good, super. Next, Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Say small nuclear family. How many members there?
4 members.
Sevens. Who's those? Everyone?
Father, mother, sister, brother.
Yeah, father and mother and their two children. Sister and brother and చెప్పకుండా two children. That is two boys or two girls are. That's it. Okay, two children.
Yes.
Very good, Srinidhi. Yeah, I think you get idea about nuclear family and joint family. Yes, సరే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇంట్లో ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు your parents కి? No, just mute yourself. Yeah. See, what she is doing? Sevens, what she doing?
He's cleaning the table.
Yeah, she is
Sir,
cleaning.
cleaning the table. Sir, cleaning the table.
Yes, kada? She's cleaning the table. Yes, very good. You will do like this in your home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will ask one question to you. Who is Sai Sahasa?
Yes, sir.
How you will help your mother?
Yes.
How you will help to your mother?
I will help in kitchen room.
What you will do in kitchen room?
Sir, any onions or tomatoes I will give for my mom.
To your okay, very good, Sai Sahasa. Mute yourself. Omkar means Aryan good. Aryan. Aryan.
Sir, this is which class?
Aryan, in your mobile there is no network, I think. Just
Sir.
yeah. Next, Amulya.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Just Aryan, mute yourself, Nana. Aryan, mute yourself. Your voice is sucking, Aryan. Just mute yourself.
Sir, this is which class? Say no once.
It is second, Nana. Second EVS, grade 2 EVS. I think you are third class.
Yes,
So
sir.
leave the class. Yeah, you can leave the class.
Okay.
Yeah, Amulya,
Sir.
you will help like this to your mom.
Yes, sir.
How you will help?
Sir, tomatoes and onions ఉంటే మా మదర్ కి ఇస్తారు సార్.
Okay, you will cut tomatoes and onions. Okay. When your mommy cooking the food, you will help to your mom. Yes. Yeah, very good. Next, Prasuksha.
Sir,
What she's
I
doing?
help to my mom in kitchen.
Okay. See once on screen. What she's doing?
Washing clothes.
Washing clothes. And wash చేస్తుందా?
తీసుకెళ్తుంది. Take and go.
Yeah, she's taking.
I help
Maybe వాళ్ళ
my
మమ్మీ చెప్పారు.
and my brother. He's giving to her mother. Feeding food.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Next, Srinidhi. Srinidhi, what she's doing once? See once.
Yes.
Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see once on screen. What she's doing? ఏం చేస్తుంది?
Sir, shall I
Hey,
tell?
Sai Sahasra, YouTube. No, wait. Okay. What she's doing? You're not understanding?
Yes, sir. No, sir, not understanding. Sir, understand.
Okay, okay. I will show. Yeah, Srinidhi, say this one.
I understand. She's
Say this.
cutting.
Srinidhi, now say this. What he doing?
Washing cups.
కదా వాచ్ చేస్తుండు కదా సమ్ వాళ్ళ డాడీకి మమ్మీకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుండు కదా.
Yes, sir.
యా సరే చూద్దాం. సి వన్స్ వన్ బై వన్ పిక్స్ చూడండి. షీఈ్ క్లీనింగ్ సమ్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ షీఈ్ బ్రింగింగ్ సమ్ కప్స్ అండ్ ప్లేట్స్ టు ఈటింగ్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ షీఈ్ ఆల్సో వాషింగ్ సమ్ what is what we call
Vegetables.
she's cutting yeah, she's cutting
Vegetables. Girl is cooking rice. Washing.
Yeah. Now see here we have some questions, Nana. Everybody should observe. Okay. See here, it's very very important, these questions for you. Yeah. See once, what is the family? Do you know already? Last class మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. Yes, what is the family? See once everybody, what is the family? A family is a group of people related to each other. Everybody should remember and take screenshot also. Okay, at the same time you can take screenshot. I will give 5 seconds for you.
Sir, the 3 lines are coming.
Yes, sir. We are zooming, but it is not zoom to come.
What, Nana?
Sir, I take. Sir, I
Yeah, very good. Concentration the lesson. Just
Sir, I took.
yeah, this is we have 4 questions, Nana. We have 4 questions. That is first one. See once first one. What is the family? A family is a group of people relate to each other. Okay, this is answer. And next question, second question. See there. What is the unclear family? What is the unclear family? There is answer downside.
Parents and
Unclear.
father and 2
Just
children.
self.
Parents and 2 children. Parents, 2 children. Children.
Radhika, mute yourself. నేను అడిగినా మీకు క్వశ్చన్
Sir,
అడిగినా
it is nuclear family.
I'm not asking question. Just listen. When I will ask the question, give me response. That's it. Yeah. Second question. What is the nuclear family? Nuclear family has only parents and children. Parents and children. Just remember, after 4-5 days, I will keep exam. So you have to write these questions to answer. Nuclear family means nuclear family has only parents, means mother, dad, and children. It is maybe big or small. Already I told, big nuclear family means there is 2 parents and more than 2 children. Small nuclear family means 2 parents and 2 children. That's it. Okay. Third question. What is the joint family? What is the joint family? A joint family has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins living together in the same house. Living together in the same house. But joint family lo evaru untaru? Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. That's it. Okay. This is joint family. Okay, we have to remember this. Okay, I think అందరూ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీశారు అనుకుంటున్నా. యా డన్. ఇంకెవరైనా తీసుకోకపోతే తీసుకోండి. దట్స్ ఇట్. యా
అక్కడ లైన్స్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి పైన.
యా దట్ ఈస్ డిజైన్. డోంట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ దట్. You can catch, no, that is what is the family. That's it. There what. And next answer, a family is a group of people relate to each other. కనబడుతుంది కదా, దట్ ఈస్ డిజైన్. అట్లా వచ్చింది అక్కడ అప్ సైడ్ లో, ఇక్కడ డౌన్ సైడ్ లో. యా నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఇస్ యూ హ్యావ్ 3 questions completed. And next, see here. Fourth one, write 2 ways in which you help your family. Okay, write 2 ways in, listen question properly, write 2 ways in which you help your family. అంటే నువ్వు ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తావు మీ ఇంట్లో. రైట్ 2 ways in which you help your family. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ ఒక రెండు రాయండి, ఏం రాయండి? మీ ఇంట్లో నువ్వు ఎలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తావు పేరెంట్స్ కి ఇంట్లో? Like already I wrote some two examples here. I help my mother in the kitchen. Already you told, somebody told the answer. Yeah, I will help my mother to in kitchen, sir, and I will bring some vegetables. I will cut some vegetables, and I will carry some what is that cloths, fruits, kitchen to hall to kitchen, kitchen to TV room, like this. అలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తా అని చెప్పారు అన్నట్టు. యా, ఐ రోట్ టూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ దేర్. ఐ హెల్ప్ మై మదర్ ఇన్ ద కిచెన్ అండ్ ఐ కీప్ థింగ్స్ ప్రాపర్లీ. ఎస్, when your dad or your mom doing some work, at the time you will also go and you will also keep some things properly. ఓకే, ఎలాంటి పనులు చేస్తావో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ అట్లీస్ట్ 5 sentences. మీన్స్ ఐ రోట్ ఆల్రెడీ 2, and you have to write again you have to add 3, and you have to write some examples on this way. ఇలాంటి నేను 2 రాశాను కదా, సేమ్ as well as you have to write again 2 or 3. okay, like this. kitchen lo help
Sir, you
chestani.
want to help your mom in kitchen?
Yeah, you don't know, I will not help to, I will cook in my home. When my mummy headache, she is suffering from headache or stomach pain, and when she will get fever, at the moment I will cook. I know curry, how to do curry. I know rice, and I know how to prepare everything. I don't know the roti, but I know everything. Okay, but as well as you have to know, there is no different girls and boys. Everybody should know. Sometimes your mommy, your daddy, they will go outside, or they will go function, they will go trip. At the moment, how you will cook, how you will eat? So if you know how to cook, you will be do. Okay, so you have to know these things. Cooking అనేది గర్ల్స్ కే రావాలని రూల్స్ లేదు అక్కడ. సో అందరికి తెలిసి ఉండాలి. So I wrote already 2 examples. So you have to write 3, again 3. Okay, how you are helping to your parents. Okay,
Sir, you are using calculator.
Nana, you can take
You
screenshot
are
this also.
using computer.
Yes.
I took first one. I took.
Sir,
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Sir, I took. Sir,
Okay, Radhika saying, and I help to do puja and flowers కూడా తెంపిస్తా అని చెప్తుంది. ఓకే, మై బ్రదర్ ఇస్ నో వన్ కుక్ మాస్టర్, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది కుక్ మాస్టర్ అంట. ఓకే, కుక్ వెరీ నైస్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. యా, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారా? దిస్ ఇస్, డిడ్ యూ కంప్లీట్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
తీసుకో మరి. సాయి సార్, టేక్ నౌ ఫాస్ట్. And Madhucharan Gaud, Parthu, Srinidhi, take fast screenshot. Did you complete screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See once here. This is our topics. Yes, it is our textbook, Nana. See once. This is our textbook. Okay? Yeah.
Our screen is Grull.
Okay, okay, it will come properly. Don't wait. Wait some time. It will come. Don't worry. Yeah, Deependra,
Yes, sir.
it's clear now.
Yes.
Clear, huh?
Yes.
You can read here once. Read this once.
Saina draws a picture of her,
Sir,
her family in a drawing competition in
Patient.
school. She tells her teacher about her family.
Yeah, very good, Deependra.
sir,
Saina draws a picture of
sir,
her family in a
sir,
drawing competition in school. She tells her teacher about her
sir,
family. Nana.
sir,
Venkatesham.
sir,
Nana,
sir,
cheppu.
this is first class,
No, it is
second
second
class
class
and
EVS.
third class. It is
It
second
is
class.
not third class. It is second. It is second class EVS.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can leave the class. Ah, see now. Yeah, next who will read? Amulya.
Sir,
Read this once.
I
Okay.
live with my father, mother, and you,
Younger.
younger brother. I live in a nuclear family.
Yeah. Amulya, your network will be slow there. Okay. I live my father, mother, and younger brother. I live in a nuclear family. Very good. Right. Next, Bhumika, she will read here. Okay.
My family is a good group of people related to each other, grandparents, parents, uncle.
Yeah, good, Bhumika. That is, a family is a group of people related to each other. Grandparents, parents, uncles, and aunts, children together make a family. Yeah, done. Next, Varshit.
Yes, sir.
Uh, read here. Read this.
A nuclear family has only parents and children. It might be big or small.
Yeah, very good. Super. Yeah. Next, Srinidhi. Read this ones.
What?
It's clear, huh? కనబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Srini,
Yes.
కనబడుతుందా?
కనబడుతుంది.
Zoom in your mobile.
Giant family.
Okay, very
Giant
good. Okay. Giant family has. Okay, నేను చదివినట్టు చదువు. Wait. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi. I will read. After then you read. Okay. A giant family
A giant family
has grandparents,
grandparents,
parents, uncles, aunts,
aunts,
and cousins living together in the same house.
living together in
the same house.
Same house.
Yeah, very good, Amma. Okay, try to read. Okay, you can take screenshot in your home. Don't play outside. Okay, sit in your home and you should read. When you have free at the moment, you can read some words and write some words. Okay. Okay,
Sir,
very good,
this
Amma.
one
Just mute yourself.
screenshot తీసుకోవాలా?
Indamma.
Screenshot తీసుకోవాలా? This one?
Amulya.
This one screenshot
No need. I will tell you later. Then you can took the screenshot. You can take this now. Otherwise you can take this screenshot. Okay. Yeah. See here, Varshit. Varshit.
Yes, sir.
Nana, Varshit.
Yes, sir.
Network is not properly there. Deependra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Deependra.
Yes, sir.
There is questions. What brings happens to the family? What brings happiness to the family?
Sir,
Ante,
where? I cannot
family
see.
ki downside there is, I am reading some questions. You have to
Yes.
mark it. Okay, you have to mark it here. What brings happiness to the family? First one, sharing and caring. Sharing and caring. It brings happiness.
Caring.
We have to mark this. If you write answer, we have to mark right. Otherwise, we have to mark into.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Deependra, mute yourself. Prasuksha.
Yes, sir.
See there, sharing and caring brings happiness. It's right or wrong?
Right.
Right, very good. Next, Desurya. Desurya. Rishi.
Yes, sir.
There is the meeting relatives. Meeting relatives brings happiness ata. It's right or wrong?
Yes, right, sir.
Yeah. ఎందుకంటే when we have functions and when you are meeting some your relative to them, they will discuss something, they will talk to others. Yeah, at the moment they will be happy. Yes. Yeah, very good, super, Rishi. Next, Sai Sahasra.
Yes, sir.
See, third one, keeping a distance from family members, it brings happiness. It's right or wrong?
Wrong.
Keeping distance from family members
Correct.
brings happiness or correct? తింటావా అన్నం పెడతా రా స్కూల్ కి.
Wrong.
అవునా? రాంగ్. రాంగ్ అంటే కూడా రాంగే. రైట్ రైట్ అంటే తప్పని చెప్పేసి రాంగ్ అంటావా? సాయి సాయి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ చెప్పు. ఫస్ట్ వన్, షేరింగ్ అండ్ కేరింగ్ బ్రింగ్స్ హ్యాపీనెస్. ఇట్స్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? సాయి సహస్ర.
Right. Right.
ఎలా? హౌ? హౌ?
ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఒక్క జాగాలో ఉంటే ఫాదర్ మదర్ బ్రదర్ వాళ్ళు ఒక్క దగ్గర ఉంటే హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు.
Yeah. Some things they will share some things, and you will share some words to them. They will share some words to you, and they will care you. At the moment, you will be happy. Yes. Yeah. Very good. Very
Yes.
good. Next, Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Sai Sahasra, mute yourself. Srinidhi, see there, second one. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Second one చూడు, meeting relatives brings happiness. It's right or wrong?
Right. Correct answer. Correct. It's correct.
Right కదా? Yeah, it is also, first one also right. Okay, second one also right. Wait. Yeah, see here, first one right, Nana. First one right. Okay, second one also right. Okay, third one, see, everybody observe here, keeping a distance from family members. అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఒక ప్లేస్ లా, ఆమె ఒక ప్లేస్ లా, అతను ఒక ప్లేస్ లా ఉన్నారనుకో, ఇట్ విల్ బి డిస్టర్బెన్స్. సో అందరూ అంత హ్యాపీగా ఉండలేరు దూరంగా ఉంటే. సో ఇట్స్ రాంగ్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ రాంగ్. ఓకే, యా, వెరీ గుడ్. Okay, take one screenshot. Everybody should take screenshot.
Total take first only. Correct.
Yeah, very good.
Total should take.
Very good.
I took, sir, total.
Total took. Okay.
I don't took. Sir, I don't took.
తీసుకో మరి. అబ్బా జయసూర్య ఏం నాన్న ఇప్పటిదాకా జయసూర్య అంటే పలకలేదు, ఇప్పుడు మాత్రమే డోంట్ టుక్ రాస్తారంట. ఫెయిల్లో. Yeah, see, somebody is messaging, yes sir, I took. That's good.
Sir, I took.
ఎవరైతే సింపుల్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయో మెసేజ్ ద్వారా చాట్ చేస్తే దట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న. యా సరే, ఇప్పుడు మీ హోంవర్క్ చూడండి. It is our families. Actually, we have to do this activity also. Okay, and we completed topics. This is our completed topics, Nana. Okay. Actually, we have this is the topics totals: myself, human body, and my family. Okay. And after these 3 topics, food we eat. This is total. We have 22 topics. C1s here to here. Okay. సరే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. See, we have to read this, Nana. We have to read this. Okay. I will ask 4 questions to you. You can write on the paper. On paper కూడా ఇవి రాయాలి మీరు. Okay. First question, second question, third question.
Notebooks also.
Yeah, you have to write in notebook. Okay, notebook lo rayali. Okay, first question, what is the same family, and answer. What is the nuclear family, and answer. And what is the joint family, and answer. And here see, write 2 ways in which you help your family. Like already I wrote 2 examples, as well as you can write 3. Okay, add 3 answers. Don't write this. Okay, see here, don't write this. Downside, yes, this is no, and you have to write some examples on this way. Anundi kada.
Sir,
ఇది
homework
నేను ఎందుకు
Google
రాశానంటే,
Classroom లో పంపియండి. Sir, this is homework
సరే
for
మేడం.
exam.
సరే మేడం, పంపిస్తా మేడం. ఇది చూడు మేడం, ఒకసారి నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఈ పిక్స్ మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారు మేడం, అయినా నేను పంపిస్తా. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ. యా
Sir, this is
దీపేంద్ర,
exam or homework?
it is homework, not exam. Okay, homework. After 2 days maybe I will put exam. Okay.
Sir, this is only homework.
That is only homework. You have to write 4 question and answers. You have to write and you have to read. Okay.
Sir, books ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి?
బుక్స్ ఆన్ ది వేలో ఉన్నాయి. స్వీట్ తీసుకొస్తుంది. మేబీ స్వీట్ తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత I will give to you.
Sir, where is